Cheers to Monday. I'm exhausted. This weekend was a ton of fun. I'm losing my voice. I got to meet so many other content creators on social media, from YouTube to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, that I talk to on a regular basis that I've never met in person before. So that was really, really cool. But that being said, feeling a little overwhelmed. I learned a ton of stuff there. This is such a weird industry to be in because there's not like a guidebook on how you can monetize this or make it a career. And so that's pretty much what this conference was. It, tells you things that other people have done where they've been successful. So it was a lot of learning. It was a good weekend. I'm happy I went and pushed past all my anxiety because that is freaking stressful. I was so stressed going into it. Also feeling super overwhelmed because we have so much going on right now. We finished up the sauna right before I left, and we still need to finish some stuff down there. It's kind of muddy because we took down all those trees, so we need to finish some landscaping around there. If you remember last week, we were working on one of our apartments, getting that ready to be rented. It's officially done. It was a fun, super affordable, easy project that anyone could do in a matter of like a day or two. So if you are wanting to figure out how you can upgrade your kitchen or your bathroom cheaply and have it look aesthetically pleasing, those are going to be great. And then we got our house painted yesterday. So we had a company paint the outside of our house while I was gone. We originally were going to do it ourselves, thought about it for a really long time, and just decided that we don't want to do it. 2 young kids, we live on a hill, our house is super tall, I am scared of heights, and it would take us probably 3 weeks to a month to actually complete the whole entire project to from. So we decided to hire it out, found a company that was super affordable, and they knocked it out in less than 3 days. So our house is completely painted right now, and it looks so freaking good. That being said, now I am itching to start all these projects outside, to just completely update all of it, update the lights, update our garage doors, get some new front doors. So I'm itching to start all that. So I'm probably going to be doing that probably in the next couple weeks. And then later this week, we are going to be announcing a super fun and exciting project with you guys, but it's pretty big. And now we can focus on the outside of the home because, like I said, we got it painted earlier this week, and there is a bunch that I want to do. And if you also remember, I said I have a super big announcement that I'm going to announce probably tomorrow or Saturday. So stay tuned. Moment of truth. I need you to tell me if this light turns on, okay? We'll see if Mommy did it right. Is it on? Is it on? Is it on?
Yeah.
Thank you.